In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Just you have to watch and follow this video till the end. Open first your Instagram like this and go to the bottom of the corner here on your profile and click. Then click on the menu on the three line in the top of the screen. When you click on it, just scroll it little until you found here an option. Account, type and tools. Click on it like this. And after that, what you should do, you have to go right now and click on account type. So you see here this blue button, switch account type. Click on it like this. And from here you can switch it to personal account. And that's all guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.